Here, I'm tired of thinking about it. It's Saturday morning. I thought I should do a video of this Caprice. I was gonna put it off till it was completely finished. I'm just tired of doing video after video on all these cars. Felt like it was dragging out. Let's see what we got though. I was sitting here reflecting. I went ahead and hit record. And this is my inner dialogue I'm putting on the outside. Just kept spinning in my head. Let's see what comes out. So I was thinking, man, I got a few people waiting on interior. I got a lot of people that's wanting me to do interior work. That's a blessing. A lot of y'all. Mostly local. I got a couple people out of state. Been waiting. Waiting some years. This one waited some years. All these guys here lately have been waiting years on me. Unfortunately, 6 months to 2 years. I'm just one person. I remember the Impala. I started that at my old house 3-4 years ago or more. I had just finished it this year, beginning of this year. So that was waiting to get finished for a long time. I keep going back a little more. Where was it? The Lincoln, same thing. I had his seats and stuff at the old house. I had his seats and stuff for about 5 years while it was at the body shop. I'm just at the end of my road on catching up with everybody. I am caught up with everybody. I'm being attacked a lot. I wouldn't call it attacks. I'm being thrown some sourness. Yeah. Throw no sourness my way. I've never heard anybody say it like that, but there you go. Nicest way I could say it. Let's see where we were at. No interior installed in that really, as far as seats and panels. I got a lot done to it. Like I said, I was waiting for the last video. 2 people waiting. One of them, I guess, canceled. I hope you're watching. Boy, that was everything for me to not reply. I replied as nicely as I could. Yeah, everybody waits on me. That's cool. I mean, y'all can stop waiting on me. I'm done. Like, I'm gonna finish this last guy. It's a 96 Impala. Yeah, my local guys. I'll work with y'all best I can here and there. I'll go ahead, unsubscribe, hit dislike, do all that good stuff. I told this guy, black seatbelts over and over. All right. Door panels. That's all that. Working on those on the table. So he'll be done here soon. Now I put my truck off all year. I got this emblem on. I had to order barrel retainer clips that stick in the hole. Put the weather stripping on, and I've been shutting this for the last 4 weeks, pushing down on it. This body work on the trunk jam is too out of whack to shut the trunk. So I'm going to pull the rubber back off here just to shut the trunk. It's not going. It's close and has gotten closer and closer as I've pushed on it. But she's way up. Ain't no way it's going to flex and latch without cracking paint, Bondo, or whatever's in there. So that's a shame. Same for the chrome piece. I attempted to put that on half a dozen times. It just does not fit. I did get the door weather stripping on, so that's ready. Put some WD-40 on the door hinge. He's got a shifter knob coming. And I gotta bolt the seat belts in still. I had to order some bolts for them. Those are supposed to be the retractable ones. It's a little box, sits there. You have one original. All those parts are in the trunk. So Yeah, anyways, I'm here finishing this up. Where is my truck? Hold up. I'm gonna get back to my action figures and stuff. Look, ain't nothing but 100 to 300 of y'all watching these car videos. I'm supposed to have 15,000 subscribers. Where's everybody at? It's weird. Oh well. So I don't know. I feel like, what's the point? I got people that's just kind of some type of way about waiting on me to do the car stuff, and I can only do so much. What I do? Just 4 interiors all year long? That's how long they take me? I don't charge y'all nothing. If I do take a job, you ain't getting in this spot without paying right. Tired of being dirt cheap. Yesterday's price is not today's price. Peace. They keep printing money. It ain't up to me.